how to train and share your bot created in BotSonic. So for example, for this one, let's first head over and test the bot in order to train it. Now it will show you the preview, and this is the preview of that. You can click on their name and let's say something like, help me find what vitamins to give my dog. So let's say something like this. And then once you have sent that, they will show you in here some answers. So you can just continue conversing with this bot in order to train it furtherly. And if you see any lapses with this particular bot, you can head over and then change its abilities, behaviors, and a lot more. So just continue conversing until you're done. And then once you're satisfied with your actual bot, you can head over and click on the share right here. And as you can see right now, the public link has been disabled. So what you can do is you can click on this enable right here and then click on this copy public link. And when you head over to another tab and then use it right here, you should be able to access the bot that is actually right here. So you can comment on them, you can chat with them. So that's how you train and share your bot created in BotSonic. Hope we helped.